Welcome back, Tech Fam. Today's spotlight is on a smartphone that just dropped like a bomb in the global market, the Honor 400 Pro 5G. This beast was officially launched on May 22, 2025, and it's already making waves with flagship features at a surprisingly smart price. A 200MP camera, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 100W fast charging, and 6 years of software support. Honor isn't playing around anymore, they're here to dominate. Let's talk aesthetics. The Honor 400 Pro rocks a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and a jaw-dropping 5000 nits peak brightness. That's brighter than your future in tech. It's sleek, just 8.1mm thin, weighs 205 grams, and has IP68, IP69 water and dust resistance. Yes, you can drop this in water and still flex on Instagram. Under the hood, we've got the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, paired with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB of storage. Multitasking, seamless. Gaming, no lag. Heating, nah. And let's not forget, this thing runs Android 15 with MagicOS 9.0, and Honor is promising 6 years of updates. That's more than what you get from some fruit-themed brands.
Now to the real game changer, the cameras. A 200MP main sensor with OIS, a 50MP telephoto lens with 3x zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide. Front cam, a crispy 50MP selfie shooter. Video lovers, rejoice! It shoots 8K at 30fps and 4K at 60fps. Stabilization, smooth as silk with gyro ace and OIS.
Powering all of this is a 5300 mAh battery or 6000 mAh globally, and it charges from 0 to hero in minutes with 100W fast charging. Also, wireless charging and reverse charging included. So is the Honor 400 Pro, the flagship killer of 2025. With this power, camera versatility, display brilliance, and update commitment, I'd say yes. And at around $599 to $699, it's a steal. Let me know in the comments, is this your next phone or just another hype train? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic tech content. Peace out.